Laureates, Student Research Dissertation Note 102.
The 4 pillars to a great student dissertation.
Ontology, epistemology, methodology, and axiology are the 4 pillars or philosophical foundations to a great student dissertation. They represent different aspects of understanding and studying the world. Here is a concise summary of each of them.
Number 1. Ontology. This is the aspect of research philosophy concerned with the nature of reality. Ontological questions include: does reality exist independently of human thinking and perception? Simply stated, what is the nature of reality? What kinds of things exist in the world, e.g., physical objects, abstract concepts, processes? What is the nature of these entities, e.g., material versus immaterial, independent versus dependent? In social science, ontological questions might include whether social constructs like society or institutions exist independently of individuals, or if they are simply mental constructs. 2. Epistemology is concerned with the nature, scope, and limits to knowledge. Epistemological questions include: what is knowledge? How is knowledge acquired, e.g., perception, reasoning, intuition? What is the relationship between the knower and the known, e.g., objective versus subjective? In social science, epistemological questions might include whether knowledge about behavior is best acquired through observation, empiricism, reasoning, rationalism, or subjective experiences, phenomenology. 3. Methodology refers to processes and methods to collect, analyze, and interpret data. Methodological questions include: what are the best methods for obtaining knowledge? How should research be conducted, e.g., qualitative versus quantitative methods? What tools or instruments should be used to gather data, e.g., surveys, interviews, experiments? A qualitative methodology, often employed in social sciences, might use interviews or ethnographic observation, while a quantitative methodology employed in natural sciences would involve statistical analysis of data. Number 4. Axiology deals with values, including ethics, aesthetics, and the value of knowledge. Related questions include: what is good or right? What are the ethical implications of a particular action or belief? How do values influence the production of knowledge? How much influence should the researcher's values and ethics exert in the research process? Neutrality versus objectivity. What is the social value of research? Should it be social justice or scientific advancement? How are these 4 pillars to a great student dissertation related to one another?
What we believe exists, ontology, affects how we believe we can know it, epistemology. Methodology is shaped by ontological and epistemological assumptions. Research methods are often chosen based on what exists and how we think we can know it. Axiology influences both the research process and outcomes. A researcher's values can influence what they choose to study, how they study it, and how they interpret their findings.
In conclusion, these 4 pillars, ontology, epistemology, methodology, and axiology, are the philosophical foundations that determine the kinds of questions researchers ask, the methods they use, and the interpretations they make. Thank you for listening. Make sure to visit the Learning Resources webpage on the Laureates website, https://www.laureatesuccesscoach.com, for more helpful learning resources.